Ready? Start. Now, there is nothing in this bill, comma, nor is this the kind of a bill which is needed to ensure these things stop. Already, comma, in this country, comma, we have other educational bodies stop. We have from time to time, comma, our vice chancellors conferences, comma, we have the inter university board, comma, and we have the central advisory board of education stop. All these bodies deal with the problems arising in universities, comma, the problems arising out of this amorphous growth without any rule or without any other order or without any plan or without any design or without any policy stop. Now, comma, these things have not been dealt with by these advisory bodies stop. Therefore, comma, if the government thinks that a statutory body should be created, comma, then I should say that this is not the kind of bill that should be produced. Stop. Para. Secondly, comma, sir, comma, what is the means of control that the organization will have, comma, when it is constituted? Question mark. The means of control is finance, comma, and finance that it has is very, comma, very inadequate indeed, comma, as it is evident from the financial memoranda. Stop. Now, comma, we may agree that the University Grants Commission is likely to get huge grants, comma, as it should, in my opinion, comma, because one recalls the statement made by the minister in the British Parliament. Stop. After distributing 12.5 million pounds to 19 universities, comma, he said, comma, if there is a demand for university education, comma, I will not hesitate to grant more funds. Stop. That should be the spirit in which our parliament should work with regard to the encouragement of university education. Stop. Now, comma, there is no obligation on the government to supply funds, comma, nor is there any on the universities to apply for funds. Stop. Para. Mr. Chairman, sir, comma, the speakers who have preceded me have given a very grim picture of the economic situation, comma, employment situation, and a very depressive situation of the country. Stop. I am glad to know that Sri Vasant Sathe was speaking in 1979 in favor of this sort of a bill, and I am very glad that he has again contributed to the debate in a very constructive manner. Stop. Para. Well, comma, we have figures galore, comma, statistics galore, comma, but figures and statistics would not solve our own problem. Stop. Every year, comma, the figure of 8 million unemployed is added. Stop. We are sending rockets into the sky, comma, but we are not spending enough money for the poor and the needy people of this country. Stop. We have made serious mistakes in various fields, as has been pointed out by Sri Vasant Sathe.